Duct detectors can be a frustrating device to work with, so let's take 2 minutes to learn a little bit more about them. So what a duct detector does is it's there to detect smoke within the HVAC system. Primary purpose of your duct detector is to shut off the HVAC unit once it's been activated. In doing this, it is going to prevent the spread of smoke between compartments throughout the entirety of the building, which is then going to enhance the life safety of the occupants of the building. Now, with your duct detectors, you have two very common types of detectors. You have your outside duct detector, which will have a sampling tube, and you have your in-duct smoke detector. Your in-duct smoke detector most times going to be suspended within the ductwork itself. The installation requirements with these detectors depends on which ones you're using. If you're utilizing an outside duct detector, it'll be mounted to the outside of the ductwork itself. Your sampling tube will be into the ductwork itself. You want to make sure that the slots of the tube are in the same flow of the air itself so that it can actually sample the air as it flows through. Your in-duct smoke detectors are mounted to the inside of the duct housing and of the ductwork itself. They can be mounted directly to the wall. Oftentimes, though, they will be suspended down from the ductwork itself. Some installation considerations when we have duct detectors. The detector itself has to be listed for duct use. You can't just put a regular smoke detector head in there. It does have to be a specifically listed duct detector. You're not supposed to have any penetrations in the duct near the detector, as it will start to mess with the detector's ability to sense smoke coming in. If we have duct detectors, uh, they have to be connected to the building's fire alarm system. So if there's a fire alarm system and duct detectors are there, you're going to have them connected. Most duct detectors send a supervisory signal. However, in some instances, alarm is permitted. Couple things to take in consideration. The requirements for when a duct detector are needed come from the mechanical codes, whether that's NFPA 90A or the IMC. They may be required to be on the supply, the return, or on both, depending on the code you're going with. Sometimes they're supplied by the fire alarm company, sometimes they're supplied by the HVAC company. However, whoever is supplying them, the installation does have to conform with NFPA 72.